Industry insiders dropped bombshell information exposing the Austrian manufacturer's massive product line overhaul affecting dealers nationwide. Leaked emails from Glock headquarters in April revealed plans to eliminate nearly 100 pistol variants from commercial production. Sources reveal Glock's plans to discontinue popular pistol models, including all Gen 3 and Gen 4 variants, plus 40 caliber options. The discontinuation affects beloved models like G22, G23, G27, and all three 57 SIG chamberings, stunning law enforcement agencies. So sources reveal Glock's plans to discontinue popular pistol models to streamline focus on Gen 5 platforms and future innovation projects.